Hello, in this video, we will talk about the Smoothie Detox Challenge. We at Female Universe have prepared a complete video with all the information you need to know before purchasing the Smoothie Detox Challenge. Also, I will talk about important warnings so you don't make any mistakes when using or purchasing the Smoothie Detox Challenge. The first thing is the site that you will buy the Smoothie Detox Challenge, because it is only sold on the official site. To help you out, I've already left the official link in the video description. To begin with, what is the Smoothie Detox Challenge? It is a detox challenge program to help you detox in a simple and fast way. Does the Smoothie Detox Challenge really work? The answer is yes, the Smoothie Detox Challenge works and has guaranteed results in just 10 days. The creator Drew Scott has identified that there is a way to help people lose weight in an easy way and as fast as possible, without many sacrifices, through natural and healthy recipes to help you on this journey. How does this challenge work? Basically, there are 3 steps that you need to follow correctly. The first step is to make the smoothies, where for 10 days you will replace your 3 main meals with the smoothies. How do you do this? In the ebook, you have detailed recipes on how to do this process and even a shopping list. All the smoothies are dairy-free and vegan/vegetarian. Step 2 is the whole grain snacks, which you can eat 2 snacks a day. Having nutritious snacks will help reduce your hunger, so you don't have to be worried or immediately anxious about hunger, as it will be reduced. Step 3 are optional whole grain meals that you can do. You can substitute 1 smoothie a day for a healthy meal of your choice. Remembering that all steps have vegan and vegetarian options as well. Bonus steps for you. Step 4 is to join the support community, to be part of the family member and have help throughout the process. You can build friendships and have inspired people by your side all the time. Step 5 is to apply for monthly prizes. If you have a major transformation in your before and after, you can submit a photo and compete for amazing prizes. Look how cool this motivation is, isn't it? So yes, you can trust this product and every step by step. Many customers who have used the Smoothie Detox Challenge and followed the steps have had amazing results. And you can too. Another very important point is that weight loss is guaranteed by following the plan. But if for some reason you do not feel satisfied, you can get your money back in 30 days. But for that, it is only on the official website to ensure benefits of the guarantee. So, you can be safe to use the Smoothie Detox Challenge. Weight loss with the Smoothie Detox Challenge is guaranteed, but to work with you need to take the treatment seriously. Following each step by step correctly and using the smoothies recipes, or else you won't see the results and will be a little frustrated. Finally, remembering some important information is the website where you will buy the Smoothie Detox Challenge, and when you buy, do use it correctly for best results. I hope this video has helped you to clear up any doubts and that the Smoothie Detox Challenge program will help you a lot to improve your life. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you.